Hello guys and welcome to another video, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a loop in your composition in Adobe After Effects. So first open your Adobe After Effects software and follow these simple steps. Now I'm going just to create a small animation just so I can show you how to create a loop. So after you create your composition, your things, I'm going to add a solid, and it will be a small solid. I want it to start from here, for example, and I'm going to add just some position transformation, or let's just do some scaling. Let's go for position and do like this, and then I want it to go here, and then I want it to go here, and I want it to go here. And now here, here, here. Now I have this keyframe and I want to loop these keyframes. So basically those keyframes concern the position. So now I want to select all the keyframes, and I'm going just to click on Alt and right click on the stopwatch and like this, and it will pop up this code menu or this code tab. Here we want to create like loop. We want a loop and we want a loop out. We click on it. Here you just click on double quote, so it's a cycle. Then here we click a value 0. So basically when it finishes, it will restart looping. So as you can see, my loop is working successfully. So now it will start from the beginning, go then, and I will show you. Now it will redo the same positioning or the same animation or transformation that I said again and again until the composition finishes. So basically this is how you loop with Adobe After Effects. So thank you for watching and see you next time.